I call Division 1. Division 1. Are you ready for your special called collapse unit? Rescue 2 on our frequency. On your frequency, what are we responding to? It's a crane that is leaning on a 25-story commercial building, 75 by 100, leaning on the 23rd floor. The crane that slid along the coping of the parapet wall. Rescue 2. Alright, Division 1? Cam and N. Alright, you're going to have Rescue 2, Rescue Collapse 2 with ladder 131, Hazmat 1, the Hazmat Battalion, Field Comm, the SOC Compressed Unit, SOC Logistics, and the Staging Area Manager will be Battalion 4, and they're all going to report to Maiden Lane and Pearl Street. 10-4, Rescue 2 received, response to Maiden Lane and Pearl Street to the stage. Rescue 2? Rescue 2 received, please. Alright, report to Maiden Lane and Pearl Street. Rescue 2, 10-4. And I call ladder 131. Hazmat come to number 1 to Manhattan. And Hazmat 1 report to Maiden Lane and Pearl Street. Hazmat 1, 10-4. And I call Battalion 4. Battalion 4, okay. You're the staging area manager. The staging area is Maiden Lane and Pearl Street. 10-4, Manhattan. 417 dispatch at 27. And I call 16. 16. Call 160. Command post is located at William Street and Liberty Street, and the staging area is Maiden and Pearl. 20 at a time, dispatch at 27. Field Comm, on our frequency. 10-4. Alright, 10-4 Field Comm. The staging area is Maiden and Pearl. We're up to progress report number 2. And I call ladder 131. Ladder 131. Are you responding with the collapse rig? 131, we're still in Brooklyn. We're monitoring to Manhattan. We're on our way to 132 now. Alright, 10-4. And when you get to Manhattan, the staging area is Maiden and Pearl. Maiden and Pearl. 31, 10-4. 10-4. 2021 the time. Listen to Manhattan, responding to box 61. 10-4, you both are responding to the staging area, Maiden and Pearl. SOC Logistics. 10-4. 2024 dispatch 27. Engine 670. 4 box 1715. 10-4, you're 84 at 2035, dispatch 274. Division 1K. As a precautionary measure, we are evacuating exposure 2 and 2A. Exposure 2 is a 4-story commercial, 35 by 100, and 2A is an 8-story, 75 by 100. 10-4, Division 1. I report at 20270. Duration is 5 minutes. Division 1. 10-4. Division 1. We need to special call 3 additional truck companies for evacuation purpose. 10-4. You want them all to report into Maiden and Pearl? Call 16. 10-4. 84 at 2031. Can I call Division 1? Division 1. You're at 3 additional truck companies. There's ladder 8, ladder 20, Howell ladder 18, and they're going to report to Maiden and Pearl.